Hey everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today we're going to talk about something that's already part of our daily lives. Multimedia and ICT in the 21st century. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Every day, we use technology without even realizing it. But what exactly is multimedia and ICT? Multimedia is the use of different types of media like text, image, audio, video, and animation. ICT or Information and Communication Technology refers to the tools we use to communicate, process information like computers, the internet, and mobile devices. So, what are the benefits of multimedia and ICT in the 21st century? Education. Learning becomes easier and more interactive with online classes, educational videos, and e-books. Communication, we can instantly connect with anyone through social media, video calls, and messaging apps. Business and work. ICT makes work more efficient through online meetings, digital marketing, and e-commerce. Entertainment, movies, music, and games are all available anytime, anywhere. Opportunities, with digital skills, more career and business opportunities are open to us. As we can see, multimedia and ICT are very important in the 21st century. They make our lives easier, faster, and more connected, but most importantly, they give us opportunity for learning, growth, and success. That's why we should use them wisely and responsibly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. See you in my next vlog, mga niga!